Hello, my name is Kushal Manjunatha and this is my demonstration for task 9.2D User Interface and Embedded SQL. In this video, I will showcase a form that allows users to insert records into the booking table while ensuring proper validation and database interaction using PHP and MySQL. So I have used XAMPP as my local server environment, which includes Apache, MySQL and PHP. The form is built with HTML and CSS, while the backend uses PHP to process and validate the input before executing an SQL insert statement. And this demonstration will include three key parts. First, I'll show the existing database state. Next, I'll demonstrate an unsuccessful record insertion due to validation errors. And finally, I'll insert a valid record and confirm its successful addition to the database. So now let's go to the PHP my admin here, and in booking system and in bookings. So as you can see, there are already some records in the table, and now we will add a new record and verify it appears after the submission or not in here. So let's go to the booking form here. So before going to book, let's check an unsuccessful insertion. First, let us leave a customer ID field empty and let's enter your room ID. Let's insert the booking date. Let's assume it's today, and check-in date is on 5th of February and checkout date is of 9th, and total price will be 1000 and payment status is paid. So if you click on add booking, so here it shows please fill out this form where it shows an error. So now let's try out giving another error by giving here customer ID, and let's give checkout date before the check-in date. So when you add a booking, so here it shows an error that a check-in date must be before checkout date. So now again go back to the form, refresh it. Now let's insert an correct record. So let's give a customer ID as 4, room ID as 4, booking date here is 5, check-in date as 15, checkout date as 19, total price is 1000. Let us set the payment status as paid. So now we have booking is successfully added. So now let's go to the PHP my admin and let's see whether it's inserted or not. So here as you can see, the new record is added here. Here it shows the booking date, check-in date and all. So now let us go to the coding part. So this is the PHP code where as you can see here a database connection which establishes a connection to the MySQL database using MySQL, and check connection here verifies if the database connection was successful or otherwise stops execution with an error message. And here in handle form submission ensures the script executes only when the form is submitted via the post method. And here in the validate data checks if all required fields are filled and ensures the check-in date is before the checkout date. And insert into booking table, here it prepares an SQL insert statement which binds parameters to prevent SQL injection and executes the query to store booking details in the database. So In conclusion, in this demonstration, I showcased how a web form can interact with a database using embedded SQL. As we saw how form validation prevents incorrect data from being inserted and ensures that only valid bookings are added to the system. And the project strengthened my understanding of database connectivity, input validation, and secure SQL execution in PHP. Thank you.